How to download from a Learner ePortfolio on Avenue. First, log into avenue.ca. Click the binder link in the banner. Navigate to a student's ePortfolio. Downloading a single artifact. Click the Download button on an artifact thumbnail to download a single artifact. The file will either download automatically to your browser's default download folder, or a Save File dialog may appear. Downloading multiple artifacts. To download multiple artifacts, first select the artifacts you want. Then click the Download button in the toolbar. Click on an artifact thumbnail to select it for download. A check mark appears in the top right corner when an artifact is selected. Repeat this step for each artifact you want to download. Click the Download Items button in the toolbar. A zip file will either download automatically to your browser's default download folder, or a Save File dialog may appear. The zip file is organized into folders and subfolders by skill and by the course the artifacts are associated with.